Hey there, welcome to Tim Talks Cooking. I'm Tim, and today I'm making a super quick lunch out of the keto tortillas that I prepared in the preceding video. I think you're gonna like this. We're gonna make mini pizzas here with just a few simple ingredients, and this recipe is low-cal, it's low-carb. You'll see in the macros at the end. It's also super quick. I'm gonna make it in the air fryer I got for Valentine's Day. Thank you, Carl. And it's really a cool thing to use, I think you'll see. Anyway, let's get started. Now, when I said simple and quick, I wasn't kidding. We're gonna start off here with my keto flour tortilla. I'll put the link to the recipe on the screen here. I'm using this because it's really low-cal. You use whatever pizza crust you like. Here I've got 30 grams, that's an ounce, or about 2 tablespoons of my keto tomato sauce, my keto pizza sauce. I'll put that link up there too. And I'm using small amounts here that I've actually weighed so that the macros that I give you at the end are precise. I'm going to add to that some Parmesan cheese. Here I've got about a tablespoon, that's 7 grams, of grated Parmesan cheese. Spread that around as evenly as possible. Here I've got 4 slices of pepperoni. It's about 7 grams, 8 grams or so. And we want them underneath the mozzarella because they'll blow around in the air fryer if we put them on top. Here I've got 14 grams, that's 2 tablespoons of grated mozzarella cheese. Get that in there and spread it around as evenly as I can. Now that our little tortilla pizza is ready to bake, I'm going to carefully place it in the bottom of the air fryer. And then I'm going to insert the basket of the air fryer into the device, turn it on, choose the pizza setting, and select 6 minutes. And we're off. All right, now we're done. Let's have a look at it. Hey, not bad, right? I think it looks great, and let's get it out of there and put it on a rack to cool for a few minutes. Well, now, as you can see, with a little green salad, this makes just a perfect lunch or light dinner. Let's have a taste here real quick. I think this is just a lovely little pizza. Really nice. It's a pizza. What's not to love? Listen, let's talk macros, right? You're not going to believe it. These are really so great. This little pizza only has 276.8 calories, 4.3 grams of net carbs, 19.9, we'll call it 20 grams of protein, and 21 grams of fat. Before you go, don't forget to like, give it the thumbs up, share on Facebook and elsewhere in social media, to comment on it right here on YouTube, and to subscribe to my channel. Helps my channel grow, and it helps you find my videos, especially if you click on that notifications bell. Thanks so much for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking, huh? We'll see you next time.